Bubagara ayo lathon Bubagara thancani marini bising tegra terpralan tubunai Bubagara thancani marini bising tegra terpralan tubunai Bubagara thancani marini bising te pore phan bachakha Tebakon kotor ka sade pore phan bachakha pore phan bachakha terpralan bising tegra latia
Living history that we are setting an exemplary to the whole nations that we don't confine within the jurisdictions of Autonomous District Council area, but we are trying to reach out wherever our peoples are there, and particularly as we have questioned that how many seats are we going to contest in the municipal elections. We have reserved ST seats are there, but apart that, we also will be contesting. So still, we are actually there are numbers of candidates voluntarily coming forward. Today evening again we are most probably by next day we will finalize. Tell you how many how many candidates clearly. But Nagar Panchayat also we are just need to give us 3 days before election comes. Then clear picture how many seats.
We want